Hello, good morning. I'm Miss Nikki, and I wanted to thank you guys for joining me this morning. This week's story time should be a lot of fun. It's called Splishy Splashy Story Time, and we hope that you can join us Tuesday the 19th. It's going to be at 10 o'clock at the downtown location, and Wednesday the 20th at 10 o'clock it will be at the Helen Warner branch. We are going to read this book called Let It Rain. We know that we are in the season of spring where it rains a lot, and we might have to wear clothes like this to help keep us dry. So today though, we are going to work on the craft that came in this month's kit. It is a cute little sun with some raindrops, and it says Happy Spring on it. So why don't you get your bag out and we'll work on the craft together. You're gonna unpack your bag with our craft in it. Inside are some spring color sheets. So feel free to take some crayons or markers, colored pencils, whatever you have at home, and color these spring color sheets. And then the craft that we're gonna make, it is a pre-packaged craft, and there are directions inside. I thought this was a cute craft that went along with this week's story time. That's why I went with a pre-packaged one. So you're gonna open it all up, and then also it should have come with 2 sheets of these fun glittery raindrops. All right. So we have our sun, we have our spring sign, we've got some a yellow butterfly, yellow heart, raindrops, some blue and white like fabric, and some sticky pieces. So according to the picture, we are going to use the double-sided adhesive foam to attach the white cloud to the sun. So we're going to do this, and we're going to use this foam to do it. So we'll take off one of the sides of the foam where it's sticky, and then we can put it on the back of our cloud like that. And then we'll want this side sticky too, so we're gonna remove this side as well, like that. And then we'll put it under the sun like that. Oh look, he looks like a happy sun with that smile. Next, we are going to adhere the other sticky sheet. We're gonna adhere the other sticky sheet to the back side of this, and then we're going to hang off our fabric, which our little raindrops are going to come out of. So we'll do this. Take off one of the sides of the stickiness. All right. Put it along there. Actually, I think you're supposed to put the fabric down before you do it all the way. So, like that, and then you adhere it. Maybe if I read the directions better, I would have got it right the first time. All right, so we're adhering this so they are sticky. You can put it in any pattern you want. I'm gonna alternate between blue and white, but do as you wish, because this is your fun spring craft. All right, so we're adhering the fabric on the sticky side, and that sticky side is what is attaching to the back of the cloud. So this is what the back of it would look like, and this is what the front of it would look like. All right, so now we are going to, if we take this, we're going to attach the word happy up here, and then that's when we can also add the hearts, the butterfly, the bird, all that stuff. And you can put it wherever you want. The nice thing about these crafts that are pre-packaged is a lot of times you don't need other supplies. So with this, we don't need any glue or any scissors or anything like that. So sometimes that just makes life a little bit easier. All right, so I've got that done. So now it's time to do our raindrops. And I'm gonna actually read the directions this time so I make sure I can do everything right. It says, Bend the slit pieces on the sun to make the rays. Tie the ends of the cording to the sign to create the hanger. So that's what, there's a ribbon I think that ties in there. Oh, right there, there it is. So we'll put this in here. And then you might need an adult help unless you're super awesome at tying, which can be difficult. We'll do this, and that way it won't slide through there. And then you can hang it up on the window, you can give it to someone, put it on the fridge, whatever you want to do. All right. And then next we can attach our raindrops. All right, I think I have that one too close to the end. There we go. So we've got that. So the only thing we need to add is our raindrops. And it looks like with the raindrops that we can put them on the front side and also the back side. So I'll show you what I mean. So we would do, let me get two out. We would do the front side, but then we'd also do the same thing on the back side. That way it's not sticking to things, just like that. So you can put those wherever you'd like on your little string fabric. All right, and when you're all done, it will look something like that. So this is what mine looks like. But they'll all look kind of alike since it's a prepackaged kit. So I hope you have fun putting that together. And I hope to see you at this week's story time. We're gonna have a lot of fun reading this book and singing and doing a little bit of dancing. We're gonna work on our letter of the week and also our days of the week song. So I hope to see you at the story times. Bye.